In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join and participate in Google Classroom as a student. Google Classroom is a fantastic tool for managing classwork, staying organized, and collaborating with teachers and classmates. So let's dive into how you can effortlessly join your classes and actively participate in them. To start your journey on Google Classroom, the first thing you need to do is head over to classroom.google.com. Once there, make sure you log in using your school or personal Google account. It's crucial to ensure that you're using the right account, as your class information and submissions will be associated with this account. Once logged in, you'll notice a plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will give you the option to join class. Select join class, and you will be prompted to enter a class code. This class code should have been provided by your teacher, so make sure you have it at hand. After entering the code, click Join Chupabi, and you'll be seamlessly added to your class. Alternatively, if your teacher has sent you an invitation via email, you can also click Join directly from the email or through the Classroom dashboard. Now that you're in your class, let's move on to how you can participate actively. A great place to start is by viewing the classwork. Simply click on the classwork tab and you'll find a list of all the assignments, quizzes and materials shared by your teacher. Clicking on any assignment will open up more details, allowing you to understand what's expected, submit your work, or even ask questions if you need clarification. When it comes to submitting assignments, the process is pretty straightforward. Open the assignment you wish to submit and carefully follow the instructions provided. You'll then want to click on Add or Create to either upload files directly from your Google Drive, your device, or even create new Google Docs, slides, or sheets if needed. Once you've completed your work, simply hit Turn In to submit the assignment to your teacher. Participating in class discussions is also a key aspect of being involved in Google Classroom. Head over to the Stream tab where you can see announcements from your teacher and engage in class discussions. This is a great way to stay updated with any important news or deadlines, and to also share your thoughts and ideas with your classmates. Lastly, staying on top of your grades and feedback is essential for tracking your progress. To do this, click back onto the Classwork tab and then select View Your Work. This will allow you to see your grades and any feedback your teacher has provided, giving you valuable insights into how you can improve. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you are ready to join classes, submit your work, engage in discussions, and keep track of your grades in Google Classroom. Remember, being proactive and organized is key to making the most of your Google Classroom experience. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.